Guarded by the mighty hills and serene Bavali river, Kottiyoor Shiva temple renders a soothing experience for the pilgrims. The Kottiyoor Vaishaka Mahotsavam, a pilgrimage conducted yearly during May and June, is a much-awaited festival in Kerala. The legend of Kottiyoor is intertwined with the Hindu mythology of Dakshayaga. Apart from pilgrimage, the journey to Kottiyoor also matters. The most enchanting yet dangerous road takes one through Pakradhalam Ghat Road and Palchuram. Captivating sights of western Ghat hills await in the curves of Pakradhalam Ghat for the travellers from Kuttiyadi to Mananthavadi. From here, a spiral hairpin road leads us all the way down to Kottiyoor temple, which is lying in the borders of Kannur district. Palchuram hides breathtaking views in its falls along with the spine-chilling steep slopes. Two associated temples lying in the opposite banks of Bavali river conduct the Vaishaka Mahotsavam, which is one of the oldest festivals of Kerala, if not India. While Ikkare Kottiyoor, also known as Trichurumana Kshetram, is a permanent temple with a Nalukettu complex, the Akkare Kottiyoor is a temporary hermitage erected with hay and wood just for celebrating the yearly Vaishaka festival. The most unique and amusing ritual is the devotees' visit to Akkare Kottiyoor. Before entering into the shrine, the pilgrims dip in the invigorating Bavali river, which originates from the Wayanad hills. Even the aged turn a child here. They then head to the makeshift temple constructed at the eastern banks of Bavali and pray in front of the Swayambhu, the idol of the temple. The devotees later circumambulate the temple by wading through the rainwater held surrounding the shrine. The 28-day-long festival, conducted inside the Kottiyoor Reserve Forest, commences with the ritual Neyyatam on the day of Chodi in the Malayalam month of Edavam and ends with Trikkalashattu. One of the compelling rituals is the Ilanir Veppu, in which thousands of devotees march to the temple by carrying tender coconuts on shoulders from different parts of Malabar to present for the deity of Kottiyoor. The Swayambhu will be doused with the tender coconut water, marking Ilaniratam brought by each and every pilgrim after following stringent vritham. Processions will be held with 2 elephants carrying idols of Shiva and Parvati on the day of Ilanir Veppu. There lie no barriers of caste or religion here. However, women are not allowed in Akkare Kottiyoor temple in the last week of the festival. Some set Kottiyoor as their destination for pilgrimage, others for a refreshing journey to explore the forest, hills and composed nature. Either for a holy voyage or a nature trip, Kottiyoor is the best choice Kerala has.